all the second-class Raptors now, you're not good enough anymore.
And so years went by. As Mattel overproduced its Velociraptor figures, it finally decided to make one that would make all the other ones obsolete.
Open the box! Hey. Open the box. I'm a great Raptor, see? I'm the best. I'm not picking you for the baseball team anymore. Nope, 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 nope. You're gonna pick me for the baseball team, aren't you? So much articulation for something that scales with 3.75. The tail bends, there's paint on the tail. So much better. Here we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Great job, Mattel. Great job. Look at those claws. Very good. Well done. It's like a little parakeet. Have you found one of these guys yet? Let me know what you think.